Okay guys, I am in Little Korea. I just got my face done. Just wanted to show you a little bit of the area. This is 32nd Street. And where I normally get my face done is in this building. It's not really that attractive on the outside. And my spa is on the 8th floor. They're really very, very good. Let me see if I can cross this. I can't cross the street right now. The cars are coming. But yeah, there's another Korean barbecue place across the street as well. And when you get to the corner, okay, I guess we got to get back up on the sidewalk here. You can see the train station right here at where you get off at 34th Street and Broadway. Okay, now we can cross. So this area of Broadway is where Koreatown in Manhattan meets the discount area, the wholesale area. A lot of the food here is pretty good, especially the Indian food. In my opinion, is better than any of the other food. Oh, they moved one of my stores here. Earrings Plaza used to be across the street. Yeah, the Indian food from the truck is pretty good in this neighborhood. I would have filmed inside of where I get my facial, but unfortunately I came in late. I had to work overtime, and that cut into the time of which she could spend with me because she has other customers coming in. Okay, we have the light. So guys, up here where it says liquor come down, that's where you get some discounts. It actually goes all the way down to 28th Street. Some stores will say that you need like a wholesale ID or a retail ID in order to shop, but you really don't have to do all of that. You really don't, especially if you're gonna buy in bulk. There are some stores that will let you buy like just one thing individually, but then there are other stores that when you buy, they want you to buy in bulk. Like you don't have to have an ID, but they want you to definitely buy like at least 3 or 5 items. And as you can see here, this wholesale district, they sell everything here. They sell jewelry, they sell perfume, some of them sell luggage, they sell hair care. All kinds of things. They sell fans. So I'm just going to give you a tour again. It's from 32nd Street, 6th Avenue, all the way down. See, they even have stuff for men. Okay. Oh, this is new. Okay, he has it on the side there. I'm not too familiar with a lot of African beauty products. I know African American beauty products. I'm gonna have to try, get more information and look it up. And also up and down these side streets, sometimes they even have clothes, again, wholesale. You can either buy one item or you can buy several. And you can also negotiate the price in this neighborhood. Like you don't necessarily have to pay for whatever price they're telling you. Since the pandemic, a lot of the stores closed down. Okay, here's Earrings Plaza. This is one of my favorite places. It's not as big as it used to be, though. Let's see, they even have purses and things like that. Now here, typically I know that whatever price they put, if you buy more than one, they typically go down on the price. This is a new place. Yeah, since the pandemic, a lot of stores closed. They're just not the same. Famous milk bar. Okay. They're supposed to have good food in this place. Cookies, particularly. That basically, this is 29th Street and Broadway. And let me just show you. You can book a class where you can make your own cookies. A lot of new restaurants I'm noticing. Okay. I'm gonna see if my old stomping ground is still around. Looks like they are. So we're on 28th Street and 6th Avenue. You got the light.
Put together and then went viral.
So let me see, can I come this way? I can. Cool. So there's another train closer. This is the N and the R train. And the W also stops here as well. Okay. Okay, that place is different. Yeah, this place here, they sell a lot of knickknacks and stuff like that. But even though they say wholesale only, if you buy a lot of stuff from them, like I bought like 10 fans from them, and they let me buy without an ID. Okay, so here we are. Oh no, downstairs is gone. All right. Here we are upstairs. Oh yeah. So, hello. Iris Spring. COVID. Oh, this oil. Hi, I'm fine. Yeah, I need hair conditioner.
Conditioner? Like shampoo conditioner?
Yeah, like shampoo conditioner.
What conditioner you want?
I'll look at and see.
Dove conditioner, like that?
No, for African American. These are next aisle. Okay.
Both sides.
Both sides. Okay.
Right here.
Okay. So they have. All right. They have Shea Moisture. Let me see if it's No, this one has alcohol in it. I can't do alcohol. All right. Let me see. So you have to buy in bulk. Oh boy. Let's see. Alright guys, so Dr. Miracle. Now this is shampoo. Shampoo. What is this? Styling foam. It looks like they need to bring more products in. They sold out. Yeah, they sold out of my products. Now, let me see. Alright. Alright guys, so you could just shampoo. Oh wait, this is leave-in conditioner. Alright, so you guys get the gist. So this is the place to go for discount products.